If you guys know what this is called, please comment down below. This is me speaking without the microphone. So, ang ibig sabihin ng omnidirectional. And this is me speaking with the microphone. I still believe that I needed to shoot this one. I needed to make a review of this product. And it also comes with, tada, para sa ipis. It was at this moment I knew I fucked up. So what is up you guys, it's your girl Maeia. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you can see from the title down below, we will be doing a product review. At ang product na i-review natin ay walang iba kundi ang Boya BY-M1 Lavalier Microphone. So I actually bought this product 2 months ago from Shopee, and I included this one sa aking Shopee haul. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, please panoorin nyo, ilalagay ko dyan. Ayan, so sa Shopee haul na yun is I introduced some vlogging equipments that are of affordable prices and of good quality, kaya go check it out. So disclaimer lang pala, I am not a tech channel and everything na sinasabi ko dito is more of my opinion and hindi siya masyadong technical because I am not into that. Nasa sa inyo pa rin kung magmamatter sa inyo yung sasabihin ko or hindi. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. So when this item arrived 2 months ago, obviously binuksan ko na siya, but we will be doing a reenactment of how the item arrived. So it actually arrived like this. So ayan, ganito yung lalagyan niya. Para siyang, ayan, parcel. As you can see, ayan, nandito yung mga details. And then, it also comes with bubble wrap. So, it's important that naka-bubble wrap siya because the item is obviously really fragile, diba? It's a microphone, it's a lapel mic. So, dapat naka-bubble wrap talaga siya, which is a good thing kasi super kapal yung bubble wrap niya. And then, if you're going to get the item, ganito siya. Ayan. So, ito yung mismong package ng Boya BY-M1 microphone. As you can see, it's kulay blue. And, sakto lang yung laki niya. Enough to contain the product itself. Ayan. So, andito yung mga specifications nakalagay. Boya Lavalier Microphone, Micro Cravate. So, ayan, it's superb sound for presentations and video recording. So, ayan, I also read the features dito sa likod. It says here that it is a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR camcorders, audio recorders, PC, and etc. So, hindi lang siya para sa ating smartphones. We can also use it with camera, laptop, and even our computers. And it is omnidirectional condenser microphone. So, ang ibig sabihin ng omnidirectional is that sinasagap niya yung mga sound from here, 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 here. Hindi lang siya nakafocus sa isang direction kung saan niya isasagap yung sound or yung voice mo. And it also says here that it is high quality condenser is ideal for video use. So whenever you do voiceover for videos like this one, or whenever you like have projects na may kinalaman sa videos, so you can use this item to make good quality voiceovers. And low handling noise. Pag sinabing low handling noise, hindi naman siya totally noise cancelling, pero it has this feature na humihina yung mga external na mga sounds, and what usually ang naririnig lang is yung boses nung nagre-record. And it includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, and 1/4 adapter. How do you read this one? Please comment down below. And it also includes the notes of all the specifications the product has. So again, nabuksan ko na tong product na to when it arrived, but we will be reenacting how it actually looked like when it arrived. So i-unbox na natin siya. So ayan, you have here like parang lock, ayan. And then when you open it, okay, here's what you first see. Okay. So you have here a mini, tada! It's like a pouch, you see? A pouch na may nakalagay na Boya. Ayan. So, black pouch siya. Very classy niya tingnan kasi di ba black and leather pa yung fabric na ginamit dito. And then, nandito na sa loob yung pinaka-microphone niya. So, ayan, papakita ko din sa inyo. So, ayan. Ganito siya. So, ito yung pinaka-tip niya guys. Para siyang mini jack. Ayan, para lang din siya isaksak sa phone. So, kunyari, ito yung phone. Ayan. Okay, para lang siyang earphones yung parang saksak. Hindi ko kasi alam yung tawag kasi. Hindi ko kasi alam yung tawag. Wait, comment down below. Hello. And sorry sa nails ko. Excuse my nails kasi hindi ako nakapag-manicure. And andito din yung ano niya, wire or yung cable niya, which is 6 meters long. Imagine how long 6 meters is. Ayan, so 6 meters to, pero hindi ko na siya iaantay para hindi maging makalat. And then nandito yung pinaka amplifier ba niya, o pinaka body ng microphone natin. And dito nilalagay yung, ayan, mabubuksan kasi siya, so dito nilalagay yung battery. So ayan yung battery niya. Ayan, it's the LR44 battery. Ayan, so ang battery niya is 700 hours, pero kung sa smartphones mo lang din naman siya gagamitin is hindi siya nababawasan. So it's okay kung sa smartphones. Pero kung sa camera mo gagamitin, sa laptop or sa PC, there's a greater possibility na nagagamit niya talaga yung battery life. So 700 hours, matagal-tagal na din yun, diba? And then we have here another cable, and yung pinaka mic niya is this one, is this part. Ayan, so ayan. So again, ganito yung pinakaunang makikita mo. Ayan. And then it also comes with mga accessories. So accessories are included when you purchase the item. So you have here the, ayan. So kasali sa accessories yung battery, pero hindi ko na siya na-include kasi nilagay ko na siya sa mismong mic, diba? Yung pinakita ko kanina. So, dito nakasilid yung battery when it arrived. But then again, yun na nga, nilagay ko na. And then, meron siya ditong wind muff. Alam niyo yung parang foam type. Etong wind muff is nilalagay siya dun sa mismong mic. Ayan, nilalagay. Wait, okay, ganyan. Ganito yung nangyayari, nilalagay siya dyan. And then, kasali na din sa mga accessories na included when you purchase the item is the clip. So, ito yung clip na nilalagay sa mismong mic. Ayan, ilalagay natin siya today. Ayan. Ilalagay natin siya. Okay, so ayan na siya. Ganito yung magiging itsura niya, and ito na yung mismong item na ilalagay mo sa damit mo or kung saan mo siya gustong i-clip. So, pwedeng dito. Okay, so ayan na. Okay, ayan. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan, kinlip ko na siya. Or pwede din naman hawakan mo lang siya like this one. Okay, ganyan. So, or magsasalita ka, magre-record ka, hindi ka naman magpapakita sa video mo, pwede mo nang hindi siya i-clip. Or you have to make sure na yung suot mo is like parang round neck or v-neck, yung mas malapit sa bibig mo kapag ka i-clip mo siya. Okay? So, the next accessory is this one. Ayan. So, ito yata yung 3.55 jack to 1/4 adapter, if I'm not mistaken. So, ito yung end ng mic, and ito yung ating 3.55 adapter. 3.55 jack. So, pwede mo siyang iganto. If ever you plan, isaksak to sa mas malaking mga ports. Ayan siya. And sasabihin ko lang ulit, ang battery nakakasya sa microphone na ito, isang LR44 battery, which is mabibili mo din siya on its own. And the item also comes with this one, the warranty card. Warranty card. So, alam mo talaga legit because it contains a warranty card. And it also have a manual or a guide if ever you wanted to, try to know what to do. Andito yung mga specifications, andito yung mga procedures. So, this manual is really important if you're new to the product. And it also comes with tada! Para sa ipis. So, let's take a good look at the main controller of the item. So, as you can see, ayan, meron siyang on and off. So, meron siyang off is for smartphone, and then yung on, ayan, iangat mo siya is for the camera. So, pwede siya for smartphone and camera, and it is made of metal, so you know that it's really, high quality because, hello, metal. I actually don't know what to call this one, if it is a mini amplifier or a mini controller or whatever, hindi ako techie. So if you guys know what this is called, please comment down below. And it also comes with a metal clip. So eto, clip siya, ayan, pwede mo na siyang pwede nang iganyan mo or dito sa hips, wherever you want to put it para mas maging comfortable yung pagsuot mo sa lapel mic. So, all throughout the start of this video, hindi tayo gumamit ng mic, just the camera, the phone camera itself. But now, we will be using the Boya mic. So ilalagay ko lang siya and then, let's try to see kung merong changes or wala. So, ayan, nakasaksak na ang ating Boya BY-M1 Lavalier Microphone. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo ba na may changes or wala. Kayo nang bahalang humusga. Ayan, meron ba kayong naririnig? Okay, meron ba? Meron bang changes? Kayo nang makakahusga niyan. So, as you can see, ayan, whenever you use it with the smartphone, you have to put the switch into the smartphone. And kung camera naman is to-turn mo din siya doon sa camera. So, actually, marami namang mas murang mga lapel mic sa Shopee, sa Lazada, sa mga online shops. Pero one thing I like about this one kasi is that it's really good for your smartphone, for your camera, for your laptop, for your PC. Hindi lang siya pang smartphone kasi most of those kasi na nabibili mo for a lower price is only for smartphones and even only for Android, hindi siya pwede for like iPhones. Ganon yung mga ibang specifications ng mga mumurahin na lapel. But for the price itself, this one, for 595, masasabi ko sulit. Okay, sulit siya because hindi siya tinipid sa packaging, hindi din siya tinipid sa materials because all in all, the materials is really good, of high quality siya. And one thing lang that I don't think I like is that it's too long. You know, it's 6 meters. Well, anyways, kung outdoor naman yung vlogs mo, so it's ideal to have a longer cable. Pero if you're like me, who's always just in the house lang na nagsushoot or inside my room lang na nagsushoot, so it's really like, you know, I don't think nagagamit ko yung 6 meter length ng cable. Habang ine-edit ko siya, nakita ko na all this time, hindi pala siya nakasaksak and sis, hawak-hawak ko pa siyang ganito tapos hindi pala siya gumagana. Oh my god. Well, anyways, I will still be providing a with and without microphone audio para ma-compare and contrast niyo kung ano yung difference or kung meron mang difference o wala. This is me speaking without the microphone. And this is me speaking with the microphone. Okay, so if you're going to ask me if I recommend this one or not, I probably would recommend this item because it's really good for online classes, whenever you do indoor vlogs or even outdoor vlogs. And pwede din siya sa mga recordings or whenever you make videos na kailangan ng voiceover. And of course, for meetings, especially now that we are in the new normal and kailangan natin mag-attend ng online class on Google Meet or even on Zoom and other platforms. So if I am to rate this item, I will rate this one 9 out of 10 because it's really good whenever you use smartphones and it's good for someone who is on online classes because it has this little noise cancelling feature. Alam mo yung parang hindi masyadong naririnig yung mga external noise whenever you use this item or whenever you use this product. And one thing I like about this one is that it's handy dandy. Alam niyo yung from the packaging itself, whenever you put it in here, alam mo, madadala mo na siya kahit saan kasi super liit lang yung space na nakakain niya whenever you put it in your bag or whenever you put it everywhere. So it's really handy dandy. Alam niyo yung madali mo siyang madala anywhere, everywhere you go. So if you wanted to buy this item, I will link them down below. Go check Juangadget. So if you want to buy this item, you can go check Juangadgets on Shopee and I will link them down below sa description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Again, if you have the budget, I will recommend this item to you. Pero kung nagtitipid ka, there are a lot of lapels din naman that are more affordable than 595 pesos. Some are even lower than 100 pesos, mga like 83 pesos, 96 pesos, ganun lang. Pero really, if you're up to the quality of the product and the longevity, yung alam mo talagang magtatagal sa'yo, you go purchase this product, the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier Microphone.